In this video, I'm going to show you how to sum only the positive numbers in Apple numbers. So here we have a simple, very short table, and there are a couple of values are there which are positive and negative. So if there is sale, then positive, and if there is a refund, then negative number. I want to add only the positive numbers, which means the total sale. So let's see how we can do this thing. We need to show the output. So I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to hit equal sign of my keyboard, and it will bring the formula window. Now here we need to type the function name. The function name is sum if, and here we are seeing this is the sum if. We need to click here, and very shortly it will give us three options are there. The first one is test value. So I have to click here, and then I need to select the data set. So this is the data set I just selected, and then we have to put the condition. So here I need to add only the positive number. So I have to start typing quote, then greater than 0, and then we need to close the quote. That means the value which is greater than 0, and finally this one will be the same thing, this one. And then I'm going to click here this green tick, and very shortly we'll see the output, and here it is showing only the output of positive number sum. So this is positive number, this one is positive number, and this one is positive number. If we add these three number, then it is coming like this. So that's it. In this way we can easily sum only positive numbers in Apple numbers on Mac.